Welcome to the 38th lecture of Digital Electronics subject. So, in this lecture, in this brief lecture, what I am going to deal is two variable K-map, three variable K-map, as well as four variable K-map. How to read the K-map using this pairs, quarts, octets, and combination of 16 in the case of four variable K-map. Okay. So let me deal with pairs first. Okay. So first of all, I will go with min-term expressions. I'll go with min-term. Min-term expressions of two variable, three variable, as well as four variable K-maps, or a min-term type representations, or you can go with minimized min-term representation. So going with two variable K-map. First I will go with min-term expressions. First I will go with this min-term or SOP expressions. A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is A bar, A, B bar, B, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So in SOP form of representation, if you are having two ones, okay, then here you can pair by A bar. This is one pair. You can pair by A bar. Okay. Yeah. If you are having these two, here also one. You can pair these two. So what do you get? You will get B bar. Whereas if you are getting one here, if these two are paired, then you will get B. Again, if these two are paired, then you will get A. Okay. Now, if all four can be paired, you will get a single value in the case of two variable K-map. Okay. The same thing applies to this three variable as well as four variable K-map. Okay. So I will show the example of a three variable K-map. Three variable K-map. A, B, C, so I will go with the min-term type representation only, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 1. So figure out what do you get. This is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. This is C bar, C. Having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here if you are pairing, suppose you are having 1 and 1 here, you can pair these two. Right? If you are having 1 and 1, you can pair these two. Here you will get A bar, B bar. Suppose if you are having one here, then you can pair these two. If you are pairing these two, what do you get? If you are pairing that two, what do you get? What is common? A bar is common here. Here what is common? C bar is there. So you can write A bar, C bar. Now suppose if there is one here, you can pair these two, and or you can form a quad. If you are forming a quad, okay. If you are forming a quad like this, this is a quad. Okay. If you are forming a quad, which is common? Yeah, only common thing is A bar. You can form as A bar. Now again, if you are having one here means A is here, a B bar is common to these two, and C bar is also common. So you can pair like this also, first element and last element. So if you are pairing like this, you will get B bar, C bar. Again, if you are taking one here, what you can have? You can have a quad like this. You can have a quad like this. Okay. Yeah, this is also that forms a quad. So which is common here in the First row and last row, what is common? B bar is common. And in the first column and second column, what is common? Nothing is common. So you can take it as B bar. Okay. So I think you have got the concept of this quad. Now, if I am having this 1 here, 1 and 1. If I am having 1 and 1 here, you can take it as an octet. If it is octet, f becomes equal to 1. The resultant, the full expression becomes equal to 1 because these all things are 1. So f is equal to 1. So I think you have got the concept of octet. Okay, the same thing, but difference is it becomes in POS form. We can apply it to this one POS forms also. Okay, so coming into 4 variable K-map. I'm just giving a brief idea only. Okay, coming into 4 variable K-map. In SOP form, so what we are getting is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. So I get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. This is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So suppose if you are going for this SOP form of representation, if you are having ones here and here, you can make it into pair. If you are having that pair, you will get as A bar, B bar, C bar. You get as A bar, B bar, C bar. That is pair. If you are having one here, that also can be made as a pair. That pair we can get like this. Okay. So which is common? A bar, B bar is common here, and which is common in first column and last column. D bar is common. So A bar, B bar, D bar. Then again, if I am having 1, 1, 1, 1 here, that forms a quad. If that quad is formed, which is common, C bar, D bar is common. Similarly, if you are having 1, 1, 1, 1 here, that also forms a quad. What is common? CD. That forms CD. Again, if you need to form an octet, you can go like this 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that forms an octet. Okay, that means here you can take octet in two ways. First thing is you can take the first column and last column. That forms an octet. Okay. If that forms an octet, what is the corresponding expression? See, that means here you need to go for only column format. Okay. That means only which is common in first column and the last column, which is common, D bar. So the corresponding expression is D bar. That is one form of this octet representation. Or you can take the octet using these two columns. If you are taking these two columns, what is the corresponding octet which is common? That is 3. Okay. So I think with this now if all are 1, if all the values are 1, then you can make it as combination of 16. Combination of 16. So you can write f is equal to 1 there if it is combination of 16. So I think you have got a flyer of how to read K-map or how to reduce the expression of K-map using these pairs, quads and octets. Okay. So in the from the next lecture onwards, using this production of expressions for these POS and SOP forms, we will be proceeding with octets, pairs, quads, and this combination of 16. Thank you. So so in this lecture we have dealt only with pairs, how to take an example of pair, 2 variable, 3 variable as well as 4 variable K-map. Thank you.